So in this video we will see how the consumer and producer surplus changes when the government imposes a price ceiling or a kind of rent control. So going again, taking the previous example which we have taken in the previous video. So let's say we will first plot the graph. So just to keep the things simple, we will do this graphically, and to completely understand the purpose of this problem, so we will plot the demand and supply curve. Previously we have done this. So this will be the demand curve. We have the quantity on the y-axis and price on the y-axis. When the QD is equal to 0, when quantity is equal to 0, and the price will be 50, and when the price will be 0, this is how we will plot the demand curve or the supply curve. In generally the Q will be 100, so we have 100 on. Similarly, the supply curve is short form region, as when the price is equal to 0, the quantity supply will be also is equal to 0. So this is the supply curve. We have already found the equilibrium price and quantity by setting the quantity demand is equal to quantity supply. We have the quantity equilibrium quantity of 50 and price of 25. So let's say the government has imposed the price ceiling of 20. So price ceiling is a form of maximum price that a seller can charge for a unit of product. So basically the government imposed the price ceiling to protect the consumer from paying prices. So first we will calculate the quantity demanded and quantity supply at the specific price. So when the price will be 20, the quantity demanded will be 60 here. And the quantity supplied will be 40. So QS is equal to 2 into 20. We get the quantity supplied is equal to 40. So at the quantity 40, we can get this the price at the specific, like the consumer willingness to pay for the 14 quantity. So we take the quantity demand and set is equal to 40 into 100 minus 2p. So we solve for p, we get p is equal to 60 by 2. So we get price is equal to 30 at this specific point. So this shaded area, all this area will be the consumer surplus. In the case of price ceiling, this triangle will be the producer surplus, and this shaded area will be the deadweight loss, which we refer to DWL. So we will calculate the consumer surplus. So we will split this into two parts, so this triangle and this rectangle. So first we will calculate the consumer surplus, this area of this triangle, which is half into base into height, we will just simply do the calculations. You can just remember the formula. So 1 by 2, 50 minus 30, 50 minus 30 into 40. So this is the base of the triangle and this will be the height. So we get the 1 by 2 into 20 into 40. When we simply do the calculations, we will get the value consumer surplus, which is equal to 400, and plus that area of rectangle, which is 30 minus 20 height, and the width will be the 40. So we get the consumer surplus is equal to 400 plus 400, which is equal to 800. So in the next video I will show how to calculate the producer surplus and deadweight loss in the case of price selling.